Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the comic filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to your TikTok application, open that up, and then you just go over to the Discover tab on your bottom part there. And then all you have to do is search for comic filter on this search tab. Once that comes up, just click on hashtags, and it'll show you all the hashtags, and then you want to click on comic filter at the top. And then all you have to do is just click on one of the filters that have it in the video. So let's click on the first one here. And then all you have to do is click on the comic panel just above the person's name. Once you're here, you can click on add to favorites, and it'll save it to your favorites, so now you'll be able to use it when you make your own videos. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.